are heading into Sanibel for dinner. There's an Italian pizza place Robert likes called what? Matzaluna?
Yeah.
And so there's a lot of birds at this resort. And they've made quite the mess of our rental car.
Yeah.
It's kind of glad I don't have to be the one washing this car. So anyway, this is the South Seas resort. We're just driving out of Captiva onto Sanibel for dinner. And then we'll probably after dinner find a spot to access the Sanibel beach to do a little shelling, because we've had a great trip, but shelling on Captiva is definitely not as nice as shelling on Sanibel. Thank you. Robert loves their pizza, and I got the Capri salad. I also got crab bisque. Alright, we just ate at Matzaluna, and it was really, really good. This is the second time we've ate there. I highly recommend it. Robert loves the pizza. I had the soup and salad tonight. I just wasn't that hungry since we had a big lunch, but he really loved the pizza, and
It's a smaller size.
yeah, it was a small pizza.
Which is great.
Which
For me,
is
it works
perfect
out.
because we both had a big lunch. So
Right.
my point is, Matzaluna is excellent. I highly recommend it. If you had all kinds of Italian, it is Italian. I had all the pastas that you could want. Had some seafood dishes, like if you want scallops or mussels. I had escargot last time, I think in January, and I loved it. So definitely, if you're in Sanibel and you want an Italian restaurant, try Matzaluna. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but
We'll be
there's
back again when we come. Whenever we
yeah,
come
we're gonna come back in January for New Year's, and we will definitely eat at that restaurant again. So, one of our favorites. We made a quick stop at West Wing Inn. We got a couple of fruity, uplifting drinks from the pool bar. Now we're just gonna walk out here and look at the ocean for a moment. See if they got how they're showing us here. Let's compare to Captiva. Their drinks are awfully good though. Very, very good. It is low tide. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. There's a sandbar right there.
Oh man.
We stayed at
It's
the
Shell
wrong.
City.
We stayed at the wrong hotel. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Are you getting bit already?
No, I'm alright.
It is stinky though. It is stinky. They're playing music. I'm gonna go down farther, so probably can't hear the music. I don't know that it's any better. Same shows. Yeah, let me go past these people. These are all the shells we picked up in like 20 minutes in Sanibel near the West Wind Hotel. We had stopped by there to get a drink, and afterwards we walked the beach in front of the hotel. And look at that, I found this cone. I think I've only found a cone one other time. A couple of tulips. This one, of course, is in a lot better condition, but I'm happy with them all. And then a bunch of these little, I don't know what these are. I forgot, but I don't see them that much, so those are cool. A little shark's eye. Robert found this. I don't think this is a shark's eye. It looks a little different. And then tons of augers and spirals, olives, scallops. Yeah, got this in like 20 minutes. Very happy. Just got a nibble.
I don't know. I felt like a crab. It was like moving, but
Oh, then it's a crab. So we are night fishing. You can't
like biting. You know what I mean?
you can't see anything, but Robert, it's too dark out. He's getting a couple bites, and he got a catfish. I know. It's like we can catch catfish in Missouri, but it was cute. I didn't take a picture because hello, it's dark out. But night fishing. Just a quick tip to how to take shells home. If you have some items that are a little more delicate and you happen to go to the grocery store and buy food, this was a piece of cake, keep the plastic shell. And I actually had paper towels in the room. This is not a normal occurrence. Usually I don't have paper towels in the room, but they were left to disinfect the room because of the whole COVID thing. So I'm going to line this with paper towels, and then I have a couple items that like I don't want squished, like this piece of sea foam, this starfish, and just little random stuff. And so I'm going to just pat it with this paper towel, add some more paper towel around it, and hopefully that will help get home in my suitcase. No guarantees, but I will have to say I've had really good luck transporting shells in my bags. I always check them. I don't carry them on. 99.9% of the time they make them home perfectly. Alright, see, I have the stuff wrapped in paper towels, and here's shells I got earlier. I always have tons of Ziploc baggies that I always just leave in my suitcase. They're very handy for shells. They're also handy like if you keep the toiletries, to put the toiletries in. I just always just have extra Ziploc baggies in a pocket in your suitcase.